Hello? Where am I? Is anybody here? Look, what do you have me in here for? And why are you a clone of me? Clone? Clone? Oh, you idiot. I'm your past self. Yeah, I'm your past self. Wait a minute. October 1st? How? Don't you get it? That machine over there, I was able to get you from, what was it again? May 2024. Yeah, I was able to transport you with that machine to over here, so. Cool. If that's the case, then I'm gonna go back. Wait, better fucking not. Ah, fuck. Fuck too. You can't even speak. What am I for here? Great. Well, great. What? Who is Greg? Greg? What? There's no guy over there named Greg. What is up with you? Really? What? Oh my God! You know what? Here's your ration of food. Eat up. I'll be back in a little. Man, fuck this shit. So you can not speak like a retarded person anymore? Since when did that happen? Well, I trapped you here to make sure you didn't backlog any of my captures. Did you? What? No. Why would I ever do that? What is this, 2022? I'll just make sure because I know you. I know you. You're gonna push it back. I know it was hard, right? It was hard. Yeah, man, but I pushed through it well. Finished within a month. Oh, okay, then guess I can let you go. Finally. Nah. Is it? You know what to do? Turn the camera light on. Hey guys, it is here. I'm being held hostage from me from a past timeline, apparently. I'm just kidding. Nah, fuck that, man. I'm not being held hostage. I was just playing around, but anyways, welcome to the first episode, apparently, of the 2023 monsoon season. So in this compilation that takes place in June 2020... Wait. There's no EAS captures here. Ha! But hey, that's the best part, huh? Best to get the other memories, you know. You know what, actually kind of makes sense.
But in this episode, I was in a rural part of town with the threat of monsoonal moisture. Little did I know that there would be something that is rather an electrifying start a few days before the official start for monsoon season of 2023. In this compilation, I also have some bonus Non-EAS footage on stations such as KEC49, which I was able to DX, considering the fact that it was summer. So without further ado, let us start the compilation.
Surprise, surprise! It's a late recording! Alright. So basically, back at this again. Welcome back to this pre-seasonal... Well, welcome back to the monsoon moisture is pretty much what I'm saying here. Yeah, we're pretty much getting some pre-seasonal monsoon moisture here. And it's finally summer break. I got off of the freaking freshman year June 8th. Which is like 2 days ago as of the time I'm recording this, because it's freaking... You can look at that clock yourself. And let's see what this says, right? Showers and thunderstorms this weekend, Southwest California. Should probably quiet down a little because my parents are asleep. Impacts. Oh, there's average inverted colors from LOX. Anyways. Brief heavy downpours and with minor flooding, dangerous sledding for outdoor activities. Slippery roads from rain and small hail. Isolated power, or whatever that means. Details, peak rain rates 0.25 to 0.50 inches per hour near thunderstorms. You can read all of that. Isolated downdraft gusts up to 45 miles per hour. I don't really think we're going to get anything from this, but in the case we do, I'm recording this, but yeah. Chances of thunderstorms and such across LX's region, and yeah, some of the San Francisco County interior valleys are like in one of the areas with the highest chance. So yeah, we're just gonna see what happens throughout this weekend, starting like this afternoon while I'm awake. And yet again, it's summer break, so I usually go all crazy with my sleeping schedule. That explains the RMT all-nighters, but yeah. Let's see what this marine weather statement says, though, shall we? Source because orders from Chilenas, Point Piedras Blancas, Saturday morning. Just spread throughout the water Saturday evening. Clouded water, lightning, heavy downpours, along with a slight chance of water spouts, and that's some SMW material right there. So yeah. Hold on, let's see if KI31 is even doing that, right? That's still on channel 1 from EAS Friday Mock.
Islands to Point Piedras Blancas Saturday morning. Chances spread throughout the water Saturday evening. Cloud to water lightning, heavy downpours, gusty erratic winds and small hail are possible with any thunderstorms, along with a slight chance of water spouts.
There's the partial marine weather statement. Let's hear the weather synopsis, though.
We'll move over the area this weekend. We'll bring patchy drizzle, a chance of showers, and a slight chance of thunderstorms to the area. On Saturday, the best chance of precipitation will be over SLO and Santa Barbara counties. The focus of the showers and thunderstorms will shift to Ventura and Law counties on Sunday. Next week should continue to be cooler than normal with extensive night through morning low clouds and fog.
Well, our county's chances are today. Wish me luck. Did I stay up the entire night? Yes, it's 8 a.m. It's 8. That's sparkling water. It's 8 a.m. And this was like the longest I stayed up since like the start of freshman year. And that's over now. But thankfully, conveniently, pretty strong thunderstorm over in Monterey South County. In fact, it was where I was originally going to live, like around that area. But basically, I know there's probably not going to be any alert, but in the case, we do have a video upload here. Thankfully, since it's summer.
And keep night through morning low clouds and fog in the forecast. The forecast for the San Luis Obispo County coast today. cloudy.
You
A
hear
chance of
bleeding.
showers in the morning, then a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Miles per hour.
There it is. Well, while I was trying to confirm KC49 in front of y'all, I guess KC49 chose to mention the SPS, so that's a good thing. Got that on camera then.
Little did you know, like every average general thunderstorm risk in 2023, STO would issue an SVR for portions of Plumas, Tehama, and Butte counties. However, let me show you something from a few days before this, shall we? See, on June 7th, 2023, whenever I got LX's weekly test, I never told you guys what happened after, but when I was putting this radar back in my backpack, the antenna, which I already had to replace before because it broke, chose to bend on me. And usually, like always, I'm able to bend back to its original shape, but I guess that was not the case this time, as it just chose to completely just stay with the mark because of how strongly bent, and I had nothing left to choose but to snap it off. And as of today, the antenna still remains broken. I really gotta find a way to fix that. A good old mighty fine STO SVR, if my broken antenna can even pick it up right now. If they didn't already relay. Fuck. Oh, that was a failed attempt. God. Okay. I'm gonna have to find a way to, like, make an alternate cover for this broken Sangene antenna after I accidentally broke it during science class. So, let's just find some, like, tin foil in the kitchen or something. Let's see. I gotta watch out when doing this because I completely forgot that there's probably gonna be some yeah. It's a friggin' metal blade to cut tin foil. Hold on. And if this could work, maybe I can do KFBK. But yet again, reception is very low on that, and this antenna is broken, so that's highly unlikely. And I'll just have to wait for the next thing from STO or whatever office pens. But yeah, fuck, I'm messing up the. Oh, you wanna poke through. You wanna poke through, okay? Alright. Hold on. I'll be careful with the amount of tinsel I use here. make a little kind of a ball shape like that. So if I don't fuck it up, make sure it just gets tightly wrapped around that. I think we'll be good. Alright, we're good, maybe. Let's confirm it outside though. And let's hope the battery can keep itself alive. Oh yeah, that's way better. Way better, okay. Okay, no KFBK, but alright. I can live with that. It surely sucks ass for trying to do other weather channels, but now we just wait for other SEO buffoonery. Well, guess what happened when I was not home? Yep, that's right, another missed flash flood warning for Lockwood Valley. Oh, but here was what do you mean I live in fucking middle of bumfuck Delaware Bay Center or some shit? Just let me explain, alright? There was already one for Lockwood Valley issued about a few weeks ago, but I missed that one because I was downstairs waiting for any device that'll let me know, and it just came out of nowhere. So I especially was not monitoring anything because of that. Because we all expected the weather to be normal on that day. Well, by we all, I mean I. But, yeah. So I missed both of those on KH34 because of that. And, yeah. Oh, wait, fuck. Is my stuff not recording? Fuck! We missed it! Ouch! Ah!
Wait, hang on. It's not. Caleb, are you sure? Trust me, it's fun.
It is fun, I'm sure.
Caleb, you gotta experience life, man. Nothing to life. Nothing to life without adventure. Just try it for one round. It could be for one round. Please, Caleb. You won't regret it. I promise if you die.
Hey, wait! Stop moving.
She's gonna ride on the bed.
Hey, no.
But you have to hang on real good, okay? Are you guys really gonna sit there?
I'm dead. I'm gonna die.
We're gonna die.
I'm not gonna record. Nice phone. I'm gonna stand a little bit back. I have a feeling that I'm gonna fall up and I'm gonna get back a little bit. 2, 1! Yeah! We're out of the mind! We're out of the mind! Oh. My hair. Bro!
Oh my god, it's dust everywhere. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. I just tilted over.
Next time. Oh yeah, we're gonna die.
Hey, we guys, shit, I'm tilting over.
Bro, we're gonna get filters on YouTube. You definitely gotta comment me on that video.
Yeah. It's covered in dust.
My eyes are covered in dust.
I'm pretty sure they are.
My
Look
mouth.
at all this.
My mouth. I hate everything. I hate it when he does that. That's the only part of it that I hate. The only part of it that I hate when he stops, when he's just going for the top. I taste dirt. I sure love tasting dirt.
Bro, this is fucking like dead. Wait, what?
This is how we get out of Left 4 Dead 2. New level. Dylan, it's new level. Left 4 Dead 2. This is the exit of Left 4 Dead 2 level.
Is standing on it more fun?
No, don't stand on it. Well, if unless you have really good balance. I know for a fact that it's true. I just don't have the number. Or I will cry.
I stopped long away from dust.
Bro, my eyes, my hair. I took a bath before this, you know. I thought this was a mansion, not an amusement park. No!
Oh shit! Ah!
Remember, there are passengers in the back who like not to die.
I'm so close to the edge.
Do you need somebody to hold on to you, Mac?
Yeah!
What are we doing?
I don't know. We're just cheering.
What are we doing?
Cheers!
I'd rather not go to Paso. Bye.
Farewell! It was a great adventure with you.
Caleb, get your $5 ass in here. Caleb, you good?
I'm kind of scared not to lie. Can we not go to Paso? We're just really white man, sorry.
California!
We have guns! We have the Second Amendment. Guns.
Yeah!
Honestly, not as bad as I thought it would be, besides my hair.
It's none of that LA bullshit like y'all have.
Bro, yeah, post that on Twitter and you're canceled for sure.
I don't get it.
Tokyo Drift, get ready. I got you, bro, I got you.
I'm gonna have to clean my phone.
Nah, really? It's like just
Awkward board. Amazing.
Whoa! I got you. I would suggest putting your phone away before you drop it. Anytime you almost fall over, I got you. That's what I'm done for.
Ah.
Are we going to you? Oh, I'm gonna have Brutus today.
We bumped.
I'm gonna have Brutus tomorrow. I get you, yeah, and about that you're gonna die in 5 minutes. Ow! Something hit my hand.
USA! USA!
We should be
USA! 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 Yeah!
I'm not dead!
My phone's covered in dust. But damn, that was a fun ride.
Now, on my first return home, I was just casually chilling in the car, listening to some music for whatever my dad played on the radio.
Guy just saw
Well, I played some of my own music too, but whatever. But then, suddenly, a very rare occurrence would happen here.
Just like back over see those clouds back over there?
Yeah.
I swear I saw it earlier.
Yep, there it is.
Got it?
Lightning.
Yep, dry lightning from monsoonal moisture will impact the area. I chose to just pull out my camera and start recording all of those there, mainly because this is not that common in the area. Eventually I saw some moose at the other place, so I chose to go back. And man, was it a show.
I call upon you, lightning! Okay, I'm on TikTok video.
Hey!
Until the end! Oh!
Oh! Dry lightning is back. It's the cold. Yep. Oh, fuck. I already have my camera tilted all the way up.
the way far!
Chill! Just live in the moment. It comes by the ground like me. No! Send this video to me, though. Okay. Oh, I saw another flash over there. There's more. I'm just shit shooting everywhere, guys. I'm back to record. I'm back to record. I'm back to recording. I'm back to recording. I'm back to recording. Oh, damn! Oh, God. Guys, let's hold a fork out here. It's like glowing over there. That's probably just other lights. I think this is actually about to be a good start to 2023 monsoon season. It's probably going to be better than last year. Oh. That is a nice storm. Whoa! Whoa, I got that at the perfect time.
Well, with all of that out of the way, that concludes episode 1. Well, rather the prologue, but thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for episode 2, where the events still are pretty dry, but cause some amount of action, I guess, states away. Can I cut now?
Fine.